What are the best free tools you can use to build your YouTube business? The biggest mistake that new YouTubers make is they think they have to have a whole lot of expensive tools in order to run a profitable YouTube business. Now, this isn't true. You only need two things in order to have a profitable YouTube business. You need traffic and you need an offer. Now, in order to generate traffic for your offer, you need a YouTube channel and you need to be publishing YouTube videos on that YouTube channel. In order to manage your video creation workflow, you can use a tool called Notion. We use this to manage all of our videos for this YouTube channel, as well as all of the videos for our media company. It's an amazing tool, and once you've set up your video creation database, it can be so powerful. So if you want to see a step-by-step video on how to create a video production workflow in Notion, you can watch our video right here. And we'll walk you through how to create your workflow so that it manages all of the intricacies for you in creating and publishing videos on YouTube. Once you've got your workflow in line and you're creating and publishing videos consistently and generating traffic, you then need your offer. And in order to deliver a good offer, you need two tools, and both of them are free. You need to be able to sell your tool, so you need to deliver your product to your customer and receive payments. And we use Gumroad for this. Gumroad is an amazing tool for creators because you don't have to pay a monthly fee. They just take a percentage of every sale that you make. So you only have to pay when you're actually making sales, which is the best way to start out your YouTube business in order to make sure that you are profitable. That's why we love this tool so much, and it's quick, simple, and easy to get your product on there and start selling. The second tool that you need for your offer is an email marketing tool, and we use ConvertKit because they allow you to start free with your first 1,000 subscribers. You need to be able to capture emails and deliver your free guides or your free mini courses to your customers, and then sell them with an automated email sequence. This is the most powerful part of having an automated digital business on YouTube, so you really need to make sure that you have a good email marketing tool. And we love ConvertKit. It's quick and easy to use. If you want to see how to set up your first free landing page on ConvertKit, you can watch our video on that right here. If you have any questions or queries about generating more traffic on YouTube or setting up your offer, then let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Starting a YouTube business is the most exciting thing right now, and I cannot wait for you to get going, and I cannot wait for you to make your first sale. So let's get started today creating your YouTube business.